Good morning, everyone. So, let me get my little snack on before I get started out here in my garden. I want to thank you all for stopping by the channel today. Yay! I'm just going to share some of the things of what is going on in my garden this morning. And my plantains. Ah! Yeah, baby. I'm gonna share my plantains. So, wow. I'm looking at a squash vine borer, y'all. I'm looking at her. It's disgusting. But in any event, this is my moringa tree. That's the main tree. And that is a part of her that is growing up. She's growing up, y'all. Yeah. And I want to share with you all also the Tromboncino squash. My God, y'all. Listen, I just didn't know. But these are my beans. These are bush beans. And yeah, baby, we got beans. They could get a little bigger, but we definitely have beans. Yeah, I dropped some pole beans in here too. There they are right there. And they're getting big. Yeah. I have another container of bush beans also because, one ain't gonna do. We need more. But let me share my Tromboncino squash with you. Now, I haven't been out here in a couple of days. I've been very busy, but oh, y'all, look at them over there. So cool, huh? Yeah, but I don't know if y'all can see in there. Though that's 2 Tromboncino squashes. That's 2 right there. But, baby, that ain't the only one. Let's get in here. Oh, we got some flowers too. Of course we do. But this is, where are you? Wait a minute, y'all. So this is a Tromboncino squash right here. Oh my goodness. You see the bottom of her? She is big. There's another one there. That's one of my cucumbers. But I didn't know that there was another one right here. She is, oh my God, she's in there. I'm gonna have to do something to get her out of there, right? But Tromboncino and here. There is Minnie. That's them, y'all. Amazing. All right. Yeah. And this is the new gladiola. Yeah. And there's another one. She's about to bloom. Let's go out to these plantains, y'all. All right, so here are the plantains. They're really big now. And can you see it? So this is the first blossom. And usually the blossoms up front get the smallest racks, but they usually are first to get a blossom. But there it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk around and see if I see any more. Let's see. So this is in the back, and this is where the bigger plants are. And no, there is no more, but baby, we got one. We got one. So last spring season, we broke a record and we had 8 racks of plantains from my plantain plants. So let's see what happens this year, because many people said, oh, they're not going to come back from all that snow. But baby, nature have a way of showing you. Nature have a way of showing you what it is. Come on, plantains, do your thing. It's the beginning of the season. Yeah. And the plantains are on track. Snow, no rain. Don't stop them. Chop them down, and they still provide. Yes. Gotta love them, y'all. I love them. Thank you, baby. Thank you. So now, as far as the figs are concerned, I am just waiting for them to turn colors because they are just beautiful. They're big, they're healthy, and they're getting there. They are getting there. So this is the big tree, and I'm gonna go over and show you all the other ones. But they all are doing well. They all are doing good. Yeah, that's them. So here I have lots of tomatoes. I have lots of tomatoes coming up. And I have peppers. They're still in cups, and I'm going to plant them all out in a bed one day on the weekend. So this is one of my garlics. And this is for dinner. Did you see that? This camera is not doing this thing justice. This thing is huge. This is an elephant garlic, but this is one of my garlics. Tonight I'm going to cook some stewed chicken, a whole chicken. I'm chop a whole chicken up and stew a whole chicken, and I want to use this for my dinner tonight. But look at this thing. This is elephant garlic, and this is huge. Huge. So I'm growing in this bed some elephant garlic that I got from growing out the box. And I have some elephant garlic that I'm growing from Baton Rouge, right? And I got to see which is which, but they all are huge, just like this. Just like this, y'all. Yeah. But this is for dinner tonight. So this is the back of my garden, and you can see I have a sunflower here. She have really grown a lot back here by herself. But wait, let me share this one. Hold on. This is next to the fence over here, and there's a sunflower, and of course there's a zinnia. And there's some other flowers growing in Katrina bricks. Oh, it's a marigold in there too. Yeah, so they're all holding up the back part of the garden, looking real pretty over here. So this is my Fuyu persimmon, and she have lots of fruit. Of course, she had fruit. But I just wanted to give you all a little view of her just to see what's going on with her. Yeah, so the fruits are growing and she is just stunning, just beautiful. Her leaves are beautiful. And I have harvested some of her leaves because the leaves are so medicinal. And I've dried out some of the leaves for teas. And I'm going to get more of these leaves because they are amazing. And if you don't know about the medicinal benefits of persimmon leaves, go on, baby, do your research. And there go my sunflower that's back here. Yeah, but I'm gonna get more of her leaves. They are beautiful. She have beautiful leaves, and I'm gonna get some. I dropped some parsnips in this bed, and da 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 da. They are growing, so I'm looking forward to that too because, yeah, parsnips are really good. I like them. And I like to grow them too. They're beautiful. Absolutely. Let's see what they do, y'all. And these are the sunflowers I was sharing with you all when we was looking at the Tromboncino squash. And there is my tall sunflowers. And as you can see, she's just now beginning to make her heads on them. They are some tall. I think these probably is the tallest sunflowers I've ever grown. So I am super excited about it. It's when we have those windy days, my nerves get, I'm in the window. I'm in the window looking. But they all are doing well. So far, so good. Yeah. The elderberry tree is, I don't know if you can see, yeah, but she's putting on flowers. She's doing really good. And that's everybody over there. Yeah. And it's a smaller sunflower. The cuties. The cuties. The fluffies. They fluffy. And here is my Orient pear tree. And she's a big, big, big girl. And the olive tree. This is my other brown turkey. The Fuyu persimmon is in there. Yes. Yeah, it's in there. And these are two fig trees right here. The black Italian and the black mission is right there. But this is the back part of the garden. Now, this is where I'm going to drop my watermelons. I'm going to drop it in this container. You see, Ben brought the container back here, but he left it on the little hand truck. So I'm going to wait till he take it off. And Saturday, I will drop all of my melons. So that's watermelons, cantaloupes, all this kind of, watery fruits that I'm going to drop. I'm going to drop it in this container. And he's going to put down some tarp. I'm going to show you how it's going to look. And the reason why I'm having put down the tarp like we did last year, because if we don't, then we just have a lot of grass growing, and y'all know I don't want that. I don't want that. So we're going to get the tarp down so the watermelons can sprawl on the tarp and I don't have a lot of grass growing. Because, no, I don't want that. But anyway, that is just a little update of my garden and what's going on over here. And hopefully I get myself together because it's been very, very busy. But yeah, we're going to get back into the groove of things. All right? I thank you all for hanging out with me today. All right, family. Later, y'all. Yeah.